We've got sway bar links today. It's a nice, simple job that anybody at home can do. Let's get started. There are three main components to your sway bar. First is the bar that goes across. Second is the sway bar bushing that holds it to the frame. And third is the sway bar link that holds it to the bottom control arm. The first thing we are going to do is remove the bottom bolt and the top bolt. With the hardware removed from the top and the bottom, we should be able to rotate the sway bar upwards and remove the links. It is very easy to tell when you need to replace your sway bar links. It was at this moment I knew I had made a mistake. The kit that I had purchased is just a bushing kit. The sway bar links that I have ball joints on the bottom. So the kit that I purchased is not going to completely solve the problem that I have. I will be swapping out the entire sway bar links next time. What we will do is tighten the bottom ones and leave the top loose. That way we can install it on both sides and then come back and just do the tops. part with the recess will always go towards the sway bar. You can see the little lip right here. Very important that that goes inside that lip right there. So the bottom one, the lip is up, top one, lip is down. Now the fun part will be compressing that down far enough to get the bolt started on each side. So what I think I'm gonna do is drop the car down, turn the wheel to the side, and I should have at least a little bit of tension on there to get the bolt started. When reinstalling the sway bar links, aim to make this bushing the same size as this washer. What you don't want is a big bulge here. We also don't want is not enough pressure. So right here we might be a little borderline tight, but we'll be okay. Just about the right amount of bulge. There you have it. Sway bar links are in. It's about a 20-minute job, 4 bolts, and honestly, anybody at home can do this one.